Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And this playlist is completely about Python programming where I'm going to teach you all the Python related concepts and programming part and everything, and which is one main keynote to key point to make a note if like we have two versions of Python. One is Python 2 and one Python another one is Python 3. So as of now I'm concentrating on Python 2. So very soon I'm going to start Python 3 as well, and in upcoming videos I'm going to show you like what are the differences between Python and 2 and Python 3 and why we have different kinds of Python. So this is all. And when it comes to Python, basically we use for different purpose. Either like we can using the Django and all, we can uh, develop the web applications. At the same time, if you want to go for analytics, we have pandas and all. These are the different kinds of concepts which are available in Python. So in this playlist, I'll try to cover as much as Python concepts as I can, so that we can have by the end of this playlist you'll definitely get a good understanding about Python, and if you are like start practicing parallelly you'll definitely have good grip on Python with respect to programming as well. So this is all. Let's catch up in next video. Thanks for joining my channel.